Hi everyone, today we are talking about business, Amazon business. How to start an e-commerce business can feel like a big step. It doesn't have to be. So we are discussing today. Yes, there are a lot of consideration, but it doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. As you will soon see, some of the most popular brands and businesses started out small, selling just one or two products online and growing from there. If you are thinking of starting your own e-commerce store or you are looking for tips and ideas to grow your online business presence, this guide and check lists for you available. There are some important topics conclusion we are discussing about. Let them describe how profitable is e-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business from scratch, running your online business, marketing and product promotion, e-commerce business lingo. So here we are just discussing these topics. How Inca grew from a side hustle into a global brand with Amazon. Did you know Inca Technologies, the worldwide provider of phone chargers and power banks, started as a small e-commerce business on Amazon. Steven Young and his wife initially ran a drop shipping business that sparked the idea of selling profitable charging devices. This became Enka. As sales took off, the couple went full time with their business. Today, Enka is a global enterprise. Is it too late to start an e commerce business? No, it's not too late to start an e commerce business. As consumers became more and more comfortable with buying products online, the e commerce industry is forecast to continue its growth. Don't be intimidated to create or build your online store. Start by testing. Start by testing waters with Amazon to find out if your idea has potential. After all, access to millions of online shoppers can give you a lot of opportunities to interact with potential customers and adjust your product offer, pricing, or descriptions quickly. The individual's selling plan allows you to sell online and pay a per item fee. Each time you sell a product, it's ideal for sellers who are still deciding what to sell. For existing business owners or entrepreneurs who are ready to dive in, the professional selling plan gives you access to pro selling tools. A monthly subscription fee gives you access to features like advertising and promotion that can impact your visibility and revenue. How profitable is e-commerce? Trends show e-commerce business continues to grow year over year. For a pricing entrepreneur and growing business, e-commerce can be a very profitable model to adapt either as the sale focus of your business or as an additional selling channel. How to start an e-commerce business from scratch? Here's how to go from dreaming about your $1 million idea to running your own online store. Number 1, research your business idea. Before you start building your online store, you need to research your business plan to help you make critical choice to quickly and efficiently. There are several ways sellers decide what products to sell or build. Here are some of the most critical decisions to make when trying to start e-commerce business. Find a pain point or challenge worth solving. What problem or challenge do you seek to solve? Who feels that pain point the most? Who would be most excited by you solving this challenge? Finding a problem worth loving is crucial because some ideas, however innovative, can fail when they don't have an audience of customers to support them. For example, are you looking to make a high quality kitchen? Then people who enjoy cooking meals will be some of your best customers. Are you selling thicker and more durable yoga mats? Then yoga practitioners and instructors might be your best advocates and fans. Think of the challenge your products will meet. Identify the users who will truly appreciate what you are trying to create and keep them top of mind. This will guide your priorities. You don't have to go far to find a good product idea. Oftentimes, people sell to a familiar group because it is a lot easier to spot problems and pinpoint needs more quickly. Think about your own interest to identify opportunities for products that people with similar interests or hobbies might need. The best idea can come from regular everyday events like having a meal with a friend. Online business owners Sadia Mirza and Bisar Rich came up with a small business idea when they were out grabbing dinner. They noticed a problem on the sidewalk of Atlanta. Women on a night out would take off their painful shoes and walk barefoot on the sidewalk to relieve their sore feet. This inspired the brand owners to come up with a new product, purchase purse balls, packet, ballet flares to help relieve ache from painful shoes. Finding a challenge worth solving and an audience that wants to the problem solved will make your venture much more likely to bring you success. Questions to ask yourself when looking for product ideas. The easiest place to start researching your business idea is within your immediate surroundings. Find out the goals, aspirations, or challenges of people around you. Find products to help them by being observant. You can come up with ideas for your business that you can then research online. What pain points or problems do you have that you wish to solve? What flaws or complaints do you have with products you currently use? What trends have you noticed in the world that you can capitalize on? What comments do you hear from friends or family members around products they use? What activities do you enjoy doing? What products would help improve these activities? These are the major questions before you start any kind of business. You must have to do a proper research on that particular topic. You have to put these questions on every kind of product and must research every question regarding this criteria and find out answer from different perspectives, different platforms and solve the all issues and then start a business. I hope this lecture helped you a lot. In coming lecture we are discussing more beneficial about businesses ideas or online earning ideas. So keep in touch. See you in coming video.